Hello! Yes, you. You're watching this video because you care about yourself. Instead of wasting time on random videos, you're taking a step towards financial freedom. So, thank you for valuing yourself. Today we'll talk about how to be successful on YouTube. First, you need to choose a category. YouTube doesn't like uncertainty, so pick a niche. Whether it's news, language learning, gaming, or entertainment. Having a clear focus is crucial. Next, learn basic editing. If you don't have a computer, you can use CapCut on your phone. It's more than enough to get started. 1. Upload videos consistently. YouTube doesn't favor creators who post randomly. If you only upload when you feel like it, your channel won't grow. That's why you should upload at least once a week. Even better, post on a specific day and time every week. 2. Keep viewers watching. The biggest secret to YouTube's success is watch time. The longer people watch your video, the more YouTube will promote it. So, how do you keep viewers engaged? Grab their attention in the first 5 seconds. Avoid unnecessary talking. Get straight to the point. Create curiosity in the middle of the video. I'll share a crucial tip at the end. 3. Thumbnails and titles matter. People click on videos based on thumbnails and titles. So, make sure your thumbnail is simple, eye-catching, and easy to read. Your title is short, clear, and intriguing. For example, how to make money on YouTube, 3 easy steps. 4. Engage with your audience. If you connect with your viewers, your channel will grow faster. Reply to comments and interact with your audience. Ask a question at the end of the video. What do you think is the most important factor on YouTube? Comment below. Mention viewers by name and thank them. This builds a strong connection. When you follow these steps, YouTube's algorithm will start pushing your videos to more people. So, the key to success is consistency, quality content, and audience engagement. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.